mate. Yeah, happy holidays. I hope everything is going well. UMA, yeah, I just want to look at these because I want to look at all of them. I'll look through the SNX and UMA and BAL very quickly. A lot of coins in the last bear market, they didn't actually go into a new bull market until price recaptured the weekly white 100 moving average. But the way it kind of played out is it kind of was up here for a long time, and then all of a sudden it just tanks lower when the weekly averages, when the price action kind of catches up with this. At the moment, obviously it's very high, but later at some point this will just start to tank right down here, and we'll be getting a lot closer to that. Now, just as a rough draw, and I don't know what way it's going to play out, but the last bull market didn't happen until we recaptured that, and it's obviously quite a bit away at the moment, but I think soon that these should start dropping fast. Volatility is very low. You can look at it as a weekly chart. It's crazy. I really would have thought that UMA would have got a spike up. Many coins, got that spike. Unfortunately, UMA is not one of them, but a lot of coins, got that big spike up and then obviously came back down and now chopping about again or whatever. But yeah, just probably going to need some patience. But at some point there should be a big spike here. There's a lot of liquidity. When you get these that's a weekly base there. That's crazy. That's back in May when this market bottomed, and so it's over 6 months of nothing. So most coins do get that spike at some point. I also just want to look at the yearly chart here, so we can see it's like most coins, it's a per year. It's definitely a per year, but on a new year, you would think, and there usually is some sort of bounce up and retrace, at least in here somewhere. I didn't draw it very well, but my mouse here at the moment is not very good, but there should be a retrace up there at some point. SNX here, I'll just start with the yearly because it's already on the yearly. Very, very similar to UMA in this candle here, large red candle with a big wick on top. But again, if we look at it, this has just started. See the way this is kind of what I'm looking for. Usually it's very, very flat for a long period of time, and then all of a sudden the weekly will start to tank because of the consolidation down here. The average price is dropping drastically. Like the average price was obviously up here somewhere, in with that moving average. The average weekly price obviously was in here somewhere or whatever, and now you can just see this dropping. This is exactly what we want to see. We want to see this consolidation, and then the white 100 start to drop fast, and that'll come down, and then price will eventually want to recapture that. So I'm a big fan of SNX as well. I think at some point this will have a big move up. For now, we're still in that grinding process lower. So whereas the bottom, time will tell. But I think this is, I just measured earlier, and it's down 94.5%. I'm actually just looking for different moving average setups. I didn't find it here on Phil, but I did find this. And we need to be looking for coins that do this. See when the white 100 moving average forms here after a period of a year or whatever it is. When the white 100 moving average forms here in a base like this is that we need to be loading boats on them, right? Those are probably not going to happen yet. I would say another probably 3 to 6 months time when we start to see these forming new coins that form the white 100 moving average on weekly charts, and we need to watch this compression, this consolidation, and get long on these, because these are going to absolutely explode again. It will happen. Just because of a lot of fear in the market now, people think they won't, but these will set up again in the near future, and we will be ready for them. I was looking for white 100 moving averages that consolidate for a period of time, but when they start to drop, that's what you want to see. So you like UMA as well, you want to see the consolidation on the white 100, but when the average price of the white 100, when that starts to drop, well, price will then be able to come into that and recapture that, and that's when you can get the bull markets and explosive moves to the upside. This is what we want to watch for, this sharp drop. You can see SNX is just starting, but it's a long way away. We need patience on it. UMA will start happening in the near future. Now this is for an actual real bull market, so we know we're quite a bit away from that. There will be lots of spikes and different things before that. And you can see as well BAL here. BAL is still grinding, and the more price action lower the better, because once we get enough price action lower to lower the average price, this will soon start dropping like a rock. Maybe, you know, some more consolidation or whatever, and it'll drop right down, and then price will, whatever it does, it'll be able to recapture that, and then you can move up into real bull markets.